discussion today, the topic of our debate is whether change causes people to get sick. This topic is very relevant and controversial in our current situation. We have two teams here who will present their arguments for the against this motion. On my right side, we have Team Affirmative who will support this motion. They are Putri, Angel, Rere, Amiru. On my left side, we have Team Negative who will oppose this motion. They are Kamal, Tiga, Tira, Gilang. The format of our debate will be as follows. Each speaker will have 7 minutes to deliver their speech. The first and last minute of each speech will be protected from interjection or points of information from the opposition. After all speakers have finished their speech, can summarize their main arguments or rebuttals. Please also respect the time limit and stop speaking when you hear me say quiet. Are there any questions before we begin? If not, then let us start with our first speaker from the affirmative. You have 7 minutes to present your case. Your time starts now.
The issue of climate change is well discussed, considering its serious impact in various aspects of life, especially health, potential negative or risks climate change on health has seen as a global challenge can threaten human livelihoods. Sudden change in temperature can affect human health in several ways. IPCC report 5 IPCC 2014 show that the global climate has experienced significant warming. Significant observation data show the global average surface increased by 85 Celsius in the last 130 years. Expansion Earth temperature doesn't just have an impact rising temperature, but also changing climate system which influence various aspects of nature and human life are not only human health. This data show vulnerabilities and risks of change global climate not only seriously affecting economy, social and economic activities, politics, but also involves a series of serious problems. PCC 2007, MC Mitchell et al. 2003. In the last few decades, the frequency of occurrence diseases are increasing, such as dengue, fever, and malaria diarrhea. Quoted from Indo in 2016, Science 2016 in 1968, there was an increase in the new case from 58 to 102 case in 2050. Effect on the immune system. Very hot in temperature can affect the immune system. For example, cold temperature can reduce flow and inhibit the immune response, making the body slower to respond to infection. Export to pathogens. When temperature drops, people tend to spend more time indoors, which often do not have good ventilation. This increases the risk of exposure to virus and bacteria that can cause disease. Exposure to weather variability, weather change, especially sudden fluctuation in temperature and humidity, can compromise the human immune system. Weather instability can cause physical stress on the body, making it susceptible to viral and bacterial infection that cause illness such as flu, cold and respiratory infection. Hospital and analysis regarding the impact of climate change on health focus on the actual effect of ongoing change. If temperature is in mountainous areas and malaria cases begin to occur in the heatlands. This may be a sign of the impact of climate change on wind, but there are other factors to consider. When recorders show that extreme weather events are increasing in frequency and intensity, expect additional impacts on health can also be considered as a measure of the impact of climate change. Based on study of the actual health rates associated with different climate conditions, epidemiological and health impact assessment methods can then be used to estimate the impact of ongoing and future climate change on these health rates. This can be done directly, indirectly, and systematically measured or in other ways, primary, secondary, and tertiary. The most obvious example is the impact of extreme heat and human physiology and clinical health. This field has been studied for more than a century, and there is a quantitative relationship between heat and health risks. But it requires confirmation in different situations. Climate change occurs at different levels and has different relative impacts on its impact on health outcomes. In general, it plays a multiplier role, usually amplifying or expanding our existing risks. Our health problem in a population observational evidence regarding the impact of variation in climatic conditions of human health is not overwhelming, especially with regard to exports to and both the impact of heat on health has been concerned since the 19th century, especially among airborne colonial staff, military personnel, and other groups, and mechanistic psychological research and settling on the detrimental effect of excess heat, thermal physiology, environmental and economic, biometeorology, and other disciplines continue to accumulate evidence of the impact of heat and food on human and work productivity. Exercise, daily heat exposure causes heat stroke, which can lead to death from heat exhaustion, that reduces productivity and heat stress that interferes with daily household activity, fatigue due to heat. Heat exhaustion occurs because a person does outdoor activity when the air temperature is very hot. Generally, victims experiencing dehydration, burning skin, and fatigue. This condition cannot be underestimated because it has the potential to be fatal. Illness caused by weather change are not classified as chronic disease, but these minor illnesses are very disturbing and hidden daily activity and in extreme condition and can have serious impact, even causing death. Apart from that, change in weather also have a detrimental impact on farmers because they disrupt planting patterns under certain conditions. It will cause crop failure and